सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे। पल 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 रोशनी जो मिली स्कूल की, जगमगाओगे तुम बन के तारे। कॉपी और किताबें सारी।
Good morning everybody. This is Buddha Vaman Khilare, teacher of Kendriya Vidyalaya Aurangabad Cant Shift 2. Today the students of class 5th A and B are going to organize a math exhibition. So on the behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Aurangabad Shift 2, I welcome most respected principal Sir Dr. Ekanta Patel and Vice Principal Sir HR Chaudhary Sir, my colleague and dear students. So first I request to Principal Sir inaugurate this maths exhibition. So respected Principal Sir.
Good afternoon to all of you. Respected Vice Principal Sri HR Chaudhary Sir, all my dear teachers, all the primary teachers, and all my dear children. You know, today we are celebrating, that is a mathematics project, and as you know, this time we are undergoing the pandemic of COVID-19. In this time we cannot organize our exhibition in the school in a physical manner, so on the virtual platform we are organizing this. The response is very good. Many children have participated and they have prepared many videos or models and exhibits. But we have selected a few. In this video also we are showing only a few. But all the projects, all the models are very good. So though it is COVID-19 pandemic times, we are not without our activities. Many activities are going on. So those who have participated in this exhibition, I congratulate all of them on behalf of the whole Kendriya Vidyalaya Aurangabad Cant Parivar, as well as on my behalf, I congratulate them.
Thank you so much, respected Principal Sir and respected Vice Principal HR Chaudhary Sir, for giving me a chance to conduct the virtual maths exhibition. My senior most teacher Gautam Avsarmal Sir and all dear friends, without your support it could not be possible. Sir has inaugurated this exhibition, so let us watch it. Kendriya Vidyalaya Aurangabad Cant Shift 2nd is going to conduct the virtual maths exhibition. So chief guest of this maths exhibitions are respected principals Dr. Ekanta Patel Sir, respected Vice Principal HR Chaudhary Sir, and senior most PRT Gautam Avsarmal Sir. I welcome you all, sir. These are the aims of maths exhibition. Why we are conducting the maths exhibition? Dear students, you have seen the geometrical shapes in the mathematics textbooks. So observe these shapes and let's enjoy.
Look, you can stack them one upon another. Do you know their names? Let's name them. What is this shape called?
Now I am going to show you some images of Indian mathematician.
Good afternoon, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Anushka Ingra. I study in class 5B. My project name is face value and place value. Face value meaning is digit number and place value meaning is position of number. These are the position of number: ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Thousand arrow is 6 digit, hundred arrow is 8 digit, tens arrow is 7 digit, and one's arrow is 2 digit. Actual value is 6,872. Thank you.
Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my friends. Today I will make this project. My project name is Find the Common Factor of 24 and 36. Factor of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Factor of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18 and 36. So the common factor of 24 and 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Thank you.
I am studying class 5th. I made my project. My project name is the smallest number 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. 2 digit smallest number is 10. 3 digit smallest number is 100. 4 digit smallest number is 1000. 5 digit smallest number is 10,000. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Siddhi Bhairav Kulkarni. I am studying in class 5th. This is my project of mathematics. My project name is how shape will look on 1/4 turn and on half turn. Thank you.
My name is Syed Mohammad Anas, class 5th A. My project is about common multiples of 6 and 9. Common multiples are whole numbers. So the common multiples of 6 and 9 are 18, 36 and 54. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Principal and Vice Principal. My name is Anwar Sachin Kulkarni. I am presenting my discharge. Discharge on great mathematician Ramanujan Iyengar. He born on 22 December 1887. Other name was Srinivasan Ramanujan Iyengar. Citizenship was in British Raj. Education was Government Art College, Pachia Pass College, Trinity College of Cambridge, Bachelor of Arts by Research. Was known for Landur Ramanujan constant, Mock theta function, Ramanujan's constructor, Ramanujan